Chapter 8 Clothes and Fibers. Learning Objectives. Importance of clothes. Materials for making clothes. Types of clothes. Care of clothes. Warm-up. Journey of a cotton cloth. The cotton cloth's journey starts in the fields where it grows tall and then it is hand-picked. Fibers are made out of fluffy balls. Then off to the mill it is spun into threads and is given a weaving caul. Finally, the cloth is created with patterns so rare, making of it takes a lot of skill and care. Importance of clothes. Food, clothes, and shelter are our basic needs. We cannot survive without these basic things. Prehistoric people used leaves, bark of trees, and animal skin to cover their bodies. Gradually, they discovered stitching and weaving of different types of materials. Apart from making us look smart and decent, clothes play an important role in our lives. Just like a house protects the whole family living within it from dust, cold, heat, rain, and insect bites, our clothes protect our body from changing weather conditions and other environmental dangers. We wear woolen clothes in winters to protect ourselves from cold. Cotton clothes are worn in summers because they are cool and they protect us from the heat of the sun. We wear raincoats to protect ourselves from getting wet in rain. If we wear the same clothes for many hours, they become dirty because dust particles settle on them. If we do not wear clothes, these dust particles would settle on our body. Thus, clothes protect our body from dust. You may have noticed people wearing full-sleeved clothes at night. It protects us from mosquito bites. Thus, clothing also protects us from insect bites. Did you know ancient Egyptians produced linen? Most clothing was made out of white linen. It kept them cool. The Chinese started producing silk. Clothes were not stitched, they were simply draped over the body at that time. Materials for making clothes. Cloth is made from fibers. Fibers are spun into threads or yarns. These yarns are woven into fabrics with the help of looms or weaving machines. These fabrics are stitched to make different clothes that we wear. There are two types of fibers, natural and synthetic. Natural fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Common plant fibers are cotton, jute, and linen. Cotton is obtained from the cotton plants. Linen is obtained from flax plants. Jute is obtained from jute plants. Animal fibers are obtained from different animals. Silk, wool, and fur are common animal fibers. Silk is obtained from silkworms. These silkworms are commonly found on mulberry trees. Wool is obtained from the fur of animals like sheep, camels, and goats. The fibers are spun into woolen clothes. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers or artificial fibers. They are prepared from certain chemicals in the factories. Some man-made fibers are nylon, rayon, and polyester, etc. Synthetic fibers are stretchable, waterproof, and wrinkle-free. They are stronger and more durable than natural fibers. They dry up easily and quickly. They have less air space in them than natural fibers. They do not absorb sweat and do not allow body heat to escape. Therefore, clothes made of synthetic fibers are usually not worn during summers. Types of clothes. We wear different types of clothes in our daily life. The types of clothes we wear depend on factors like season, weather, region, or event. Seasonal clothes. We have different clothes for different seasons. In summer, we wear loose-fitting cotton clothes that keep our body cool. Cotton cloths allow the body heat to escape. and absorb sweat. White or light colored clothes are mostly used in summers because they reflect the heat and light of the sun and keep our body cool. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes keep our body warm as they do not allow the body heat to escape. Dark colored clothes are used mostly in winter because they absorb the heat and become warm quickly. In monsoon, people use raincoats and umbrellas. It is used to protect ourselves while going outside in the rain. Traditional and national dresses. India is a vast country. People living in different regions wear different types of clothes based on the region and their tradition. These are called traditional dresses, like people of Kashmir wear firan and people of Assam wear mekhla chador. People living in different countries wear different types of clothes depending upon weather and tradition of their respective countries. Some of these clothes have become so popular that they are called national dresses of that country. The national dress of an Indian woman is sari and that of a Japanese woman is a kimono. Special clothes. People wear special clothes based on their work. Doctors, nurses, policemen, soldiers, lawyers are recognized by their clothes. Students from different schools can also be recognized by their school uniforms. Some factory workers wear overalls that are special uniforms covering their body from neck to feet. Uniforms of the soldiers are made from tough material so that they may last longer. They have special dresses depending upon the region they are deployed in. Nowadays, sportswear is made from dry fit material. Clothes for different body parts. Apart from wearing dresses, we also wear different clothes for different body parts. We wear gloves to protect our hands from extreme cold, socks and shoes to protect our feet from heat, cold, dust and germs. Care of clothes. Clothes become dirty because of dust and sweat from our bodies, so we have to wash them regularly. Good care of clothes makes them attractive and last longer. Clothes should be washed, dried, and mended regularly. Different kinds of clothes should be handled differently according to the materials they are made up of. Cotton clothes should be washed with soap or detergent powder. Silk clothes should be washed with a mild and good quality soap or dry cleaned. They should not be washed with ordinary washing soap or detergent as the fibers may get damaged. Silk and woolen clothes are expensive. Certain insects feed on silk and wool. Therefore, once the season is over, these clothes should be packed properly. They should be kept out in the sun for a few hours or dry cleaned. Then they should be stored properly. Mothballs or naphthalene balls and dried neem leaves should be kept between the folds of woolen clothes. Insects will stay away from these balls and the clothes as well. Children's and patients' clothes must always be disinfected with an antiseptic solution. Keywords: loom, a machine for weaving clothes. Disinfected, cleaning, especially with chemicals to destroy the bacteria. Overalls, a kind of dress worn by factory workers that covers them from neck to feet. Chapter Roundup. Clothes protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain, and insect bites. We must wear clothes according to the season. Neat and clean clothes make us look smart and keep us healthy too. Thread or yarn is made out of natural or synthetic fibers. Cloth is made by weaving the yarn on hand looms or power looms. Woolen and silk cloth should be protected from insects because certain insects feed on silk and wool. Regular washing and taking proper care of clothes make them last longer.